Hello everyone, welcome back to our math channel Math Bridges Fun with Math. In this video, let's learn how to simplify fractions. This can be considered to be as an activity also, which enable the students to reduce the fractions to the lowest terms. Simplifying fractions or reducing to its lowest terms. To do this activity, first we have to make a 10 by 10 grid. In this, we are going to write the table starting from 1 to 10. You can see here the first row 1 1s are 1, 1 2s are 2, 1 3s are 3 and so on till 1 10s are 10. Similarly, 2 table next one 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10 till 20. Similarly, all the numbers 3 table, 4 table, 5 table, 6 table, 7 table, 8 table, 9 table and 10 table. So all the 10 tables whatever are there, we have to arrange it in the rows so that we can visualize or reduce the fractions to its simplest terms in very easy way without any calculations. Just by observing where the number is, we can get the answer, the final answer. Let's consider a fraction 4 by 8. We will simplify this fraction, reducing it to its lowest terms. The first step is in this grid. In this table grid, whatever we have taken, 1 table, 2 table, 3 table and so on till 10 table, you identify where 4 is here. You can circle it or just you can make it as a square shape with any color pencil of your choice. Now the denominator is 8. In the same column, wherever you are taken 4, in that same column you search for that number 8. So here we are having. So you circle that number. Now in this 4 by 8, in the same rows, the first row and the second row, wherever we have considered, towards the left hand side corner, the corner of the left hand side of the grid, whatever the numbers are there, that will be your final answer, that is 1 by 2. So when we are reducing the fraction 4 by 8, it is equals to 1 by 2. The same thing here in the grid 4 by 8. So it is equal to the last one, whatever we are getting, it is half. It has been reduced, the fraction is reduced to 1 by 2. Similarly, if we consider 3 by 6, you circle 3 and circle 6. So it is also equals to 1 by 2. Always consider the last one, whatever you are having in that grid. Similarly, if you consider 2 by 4, the reduced fraction, when you simplify the fraction, the answer will be 1 by 2. So without any multiplication or dividing the fraction or doing anything directly, you can visualize the final answer over here. Now let's reduce the fraction 21 by 28 to its simplest form. The first step, in the grid you identify where is 21. Here is 21. In the same column, wherever we are taking 21, in the same column you have to consider whether 28 is there or not. So you ensure that 21, 28, whatever the numbers, numerator and denominator, it should be in the same column. Here I have circled, in the sense I have taken it to be as a square box, 21 by 28. As per discussion, the final answer, how to get it? Go in the same row where 21 is there, towards your left hand side corner, it is 3. And in 28, you search in the same row towards the left hand side corner of the grid, it is 4. So when we reduce 21 by 28, we'll be getting the answer to be as 3 by 4. So 21 by 28, finally we have simplified it to the reduced fraction to be as 3 by 4. As simple as it is, 21 towards the left hand side corner, just see the number, visualize it and you can write the fraction. But ensure that the numerator and denominator should be in the same column. See, you have 21 here, but if you search, you don't have 28, so we will not consider this column. In this column, we have both 21 and 28, one below the another as numerator and denominator. Now let's simplify the fraction 45 by 72. The first step is you identify where is 45 and where is 72 and you have to circle that one. 45 by 72. So 45 here and 72 down. After leaving 2 rows, we are having 72. So just you circle the numbers with any color pencil and you can keep it. Here, as per the discussion, the same 45 in that row towards the left hand side corner of the grid, the number is 5. And when you look at 72, the corner number towards the left hand side of the grid is 8. Therefore, when we reduce 45 by 72, the fraction will be 5 by 8. Let's simplify the fraction 12 by 16 now. Use a color pencil and check where 12 is, and you can circle 12. And 16, where is the denominator also, you check the denominator. So 12 by 16, you can color that one. And the next step is, towards the left hand side corner of 12, the number is 6 as numerator. And towards 16, the left hand side corner of the grid is 8. Therefore, when we simplify 12 by 16, we are getting the answer to be as 6 by 8. But if you observe, 6 by 8 also still we can reduce to the lowest terms. Still we can simplify these fractions. So how to go on with that? Let's see. We got 12 by 16 to be as 6 by 8 now. Now you identify where is 6 by 8 in the grid. Here 6 and 8. So you circle that both the numbers. Now again follow the same method. Towards the left hand side corner of 6, what is the number? It is 3. And for 8, the left hand side corner of the grid is 4. Therefore 6 by 8, it can be further reduced to 3 by 4. Here, if you observe 12 by 16, we have considered here 12 by 16. So we reduce to 6 by 8. In this grid, if you see here also we are having 12 by 16, 12 in the numerator and 16 in the denominator. So directly go to the left hand side corner of the grid. It is 3 numerator, 16 denominator. So left hand side corner of the grid, it is 3 by 4. So directly also you can consider it to be as the 3 by 4. So whenever you are searching for the fraction, ensure that the numerator should be on the top and the denominator should be down in the grid also. Using the same method as discussed in the video, you can try these fractions. You can reduce to its lowest fractions: 21 by 35, 40 by 60, 56 by 72 and 24 by 64. Identify where the fraction is, circle that one, and towards the left hand side corner see what the fraction is there. It will be very easy for you for identifying. This enables you to further reduce the fractions into the simplest form. Like, share and subscribe to our channel Math Bridges Fun with Math, and do share it with your friends. If you have any suggestions or any particular topic you want the videos to be done, do share your suggestions in the comment box. I try my level best to do the videos. Thank you everyone for watching the video.